Hello, welcome to the last video by LSX Engines, Tuning, and Marine. The reason I say last video is because I'm changing the name of my channel and my business to more accurately reflect the services and products that I sell. So the new name of my business is Moccasin Marine LLC. And I chose that because the water moccasin is a snake that's indigenous to the southeast United States, and that's where I'm located. So going forward, I will be known as Moccasin Marine, and to commemorate the start of my new business name, I'm showing this engine that I built for my new business truck. The truck is a 2009 GMC Sierra 4-wheel drive crew cab with a short base truck bed. The engine was an LC9 5.3, but I took that out and I'm replacing it with a 6-liter engine. This started out, I believe, as an LQ4 iron block 6-liter engine, and I rebuilt it with LS2 components. Got LS2 pistons, rods, cylinder heads, let's see what else, a camshaft, and so forth. So again, it's a 6-liter engine, and it's going back in this 2009 GMC truck. And I painted it with a American flag motif. It's got red valve covers, a white block, and then a navy blue oil pan with vinyl star decals on it. And the truck had that GMC red American flag GMC logo, and that's the way it came when I bought it, and that's what gave me the idea to paint the engine the same way. So let's look at the engine a little closer. So as you can see, I've got powder coated red valve covers. I did the powder coating myself. I have a small home powder coating system. Then over here I've got this this ICT billet valley cover, and I use this to eliminate the knock sensor holes, because this is a Gen 3 engine going in a Gen 4 vehicle, and the Gen 4 knock sensors are down low on the side of the block. And I'll show in another video how I mount those. So again, powder coated valve covers, white block, and a navy blue oil pan. This engine, the LS2 engine, was rated for 395 horsepower in the Corvette. This was used in 2005 to 2007 Corvettes, I believe. It was also used in some Pontiac GTOs, and I believe the Trailblazer SS too. So it was a Gen 4 engine that still had 24-tooth trigger wheel. This particular engine, I did a video where I replaced the trigger wheel with a 58-tooth trigger wheel that's compatible with the electronics in this truck. Since it's 2009, it's Gen 4. I'll refer you to those videos. It'll be in the they'll be in a playlist with the series on when I built this engine. So that's about it. I just wanted to introduce this engine and my new business name again, Moccasin Marine LLC. And all future videos relating to marine engines and marine services will be introduced as Moccasin Marine. Also, I would like to ask that or thank my patrons for subscribing to my channel, and I want to have a shout out to, or give a shout out to my satellite marine office, or satellite LSX Engines office in Ireland. I don't remember what town they're in. I don't think it's Dublin, but it's somewhere in Ireland. So I'll post a picture of those guys at the end of this video, and you can say hi to them in the comments. I appreciate the subscribers. I would like to get some more, so if you find my videos and enjoy or get use out of my videos, enjoy watching them, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.